Today design are Egyptian inspires and it's glow in the dark by the ways. First applying shadow gels, then Teflon matte to block chrome from sticking to the background. Now I'm drawing a scarab with white metal fake gel. And let's chrome this. Now I'm using a mixture of blue Glidos, green and milky glow Glidos to make this jade color. Then I'm gonna fill in my scarab using X-Acto knife and silicone tools. This is my new 6mm curve that I'm gonna cut out and frame my scarab. You can also bend it to make the legs just like this. Feel free to use clear texture gel to help you adhere. I'm also using drink stud and 6mm needles. Now let's mat everything and shine the top coat on your desired areas. Let's put it to the test. This is a full finished result in daylight. And this is what it looks like at night. See you on live stream.